Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, this is the Bank Nifty monthly chart, and as you can see, Bank Nifty making a hammer candle, indicating that this is just a pause and we could continue upwards from here till the targets of maybe 45,000, 46,000, maybe even 48,000 in the coming year. You never know, right? But yeah, this indicates a pause. Whereas Nifty, if you see, not so much. Nifty closing very bearish over here. If you see, Nifty really almost like, like if Nifty would have closed near 17, near 18,000 or 17,900, I would have been pretty bearish. But if you see over here, Nifty has kind of recovered in the end. If you see in the weekly chart, we are going to see Nifty has recovered, kind of made a green candle over here, but that does not indicates anything by itself. What could happen is that we could go up from here or make a new high, and this candle could be a reversal candle, or this candle could just be or this candle could just be a pause candle, after which we continue the down move from here till at least maybe 17,500, 17,000, maybe even more on the downside, right? Either this could be a breakout failure over here that we are seeing, or either this could just be a pause after which Nifty could continue its rally to higher levels. In the weekly chart that we can see in the bank Nifty, if you see, this definitely looks like a pullback, because we fell down from here and sellers were not able to keep the market down. The buyers just continuously came in over here and took the market up, and the closing is also pretty good over here, right? Now if you see from here, there are two places from where you can start selling, right? Because all the 50% of any candle is very important, right? So any zone below 50% is when the trend kind of reverses. So over here, if you see 42,200 to 42,300, all these levels will be very important for the coming week. If we start going below them, we can expect bearishness in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, if we start going below 18,000 to 17,900, then we can go ahead and become bearish in Nifty for big levels from here, because then this will become a breakout failure. And whenever there is a failure in breakout, all the buyers who would have created their positions over here, they will start squaring off their positions, which will result in a very, very good rally on not a rally. I mean, you could say a rally, but for the bears, right? And a very good bear rally from here till maybe 17,200, 17,500, all these levels. The momentum could be pretty fast from here, right? So definitely this week is going to be very important. This month in itself is going to be very important, but very important will be this coming week. And this week will decide either if we'll go up from here or we'll go down from here. It's just a make or break situation for Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? We're going to see in the daily chart where exactly you guys can go ahead and sell and where exactly you guys can go ahead and buy, right? So if we see over here, this looks like a pullback, right? This candle. Now above this candle is when we can buy aggressively, because from here the sellers will, they will lose hope and they will just start squaring off their positions, right? Anybody who would have shorted over here today, he would have kept he would have kept his stop loss at the day high, right? So from here, if we start moving up, then there is pretty much then the sellers will pretty much, they'll give up, and from here the buyers could get aggressive and we could start moving up from here again, maybe even go to a new all-time high of 19,000. But for Nifty, it looks a little bit hard to get to 19,000 as compared to Bank Nifty, which could hit a new all-time high pretty fast, because Bank Nifty has given a very, very good closing over here, right? So Bank Nifty from here, once we start crossing 43,400, 43,500, all these levels on the upside, and all-time high is very near. So the sellers in Bank Nifty are more scared as compared to Nifty, right? So from here, we can expect Bank Nifty to move more than Nifty, at least until Nifty crosses 18,600, 18,700 on the upside. We can expect Bank Nifty to lead the rally over here as compared to Nifty. So Bank Nifty can outperform in the coming weeks, at least for now. We will go ahead and see how the situation is in next week and more on and the more coming weeks. But for now, Bank Nifty looks more bullish if we start moving up from here, right? So But where can the sellers get aggressive? So for that, you need to see where is the fresh buying happening, right? From here, if you see, fresh buying has happened from 42,500, right? 42,500 to 42,400. This is a very important zone. So if we start going below this, all the buyers who would have bought their positions over here, they will start getting trapped and they will start squaring of their positions, which means we will see a very, very good move on the downside below 42,400 to 42,500 over here, right? To be precise, 42,500, because that's from where we saw a very, very good buying happening on Thursday, right? So if you so for tomorrow, where can we take a trade? It's very simple. This zone will be very important, right? But if we see what could happen over here is that we could move down over here. We could even come to 42,500, 42,400, but we could reverse from here because this whole zone will be controlled by buyers. And what could happen is that after maybe the whole day, we could see some bearish day like this. But in the end, near 2:33 p.m., we could see buying again happening if that has not already happened. So we will still need to wait for a confirmation. So I think you should go ahead and wait for at least 1 or 2 days for the market to get a clear direction. Once we have that clear direction of where exactly the market is going to move, then you can go ahead and take more aggressive positional trades in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So for tomorrow, where can you take a trade? It's very simple. Wait for this trend line. If you see, this trend line hasn't been broken since Thursday, Bank Nifty took a very good support and moved up very much. And on Friday also, Bank Nifty took support over here. So once we start crossing this trend line, then you guys can go ahead and make fresh positions. Although I would recommend, as I said, that things could be a little bit volatile over here, right? And maybe what could happen is that we could break this trend line and then again reverse from there after breaking this trend line. So keep your positions light for at least 1 or 2 days, and once the market gets a clear direction, then we can go ahead and take a little bit more aggressive trades in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. On the other hand, if you see, Nifty looks more bearish. So for Nifty, what you can do is take a trade over here. Once we go below 18,080, you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target can be 18,010 to 18,000 on the downside, right? On the upside, again, wait for the last swing to cross, that is 18,207. Once we cross 18,207 to 210 on the upside, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here, because then Nifty also, as I said in daily chart, right? Nifty then becomes a little bit, Nifty then becomes positive. So yeah, once we cross this high of 18, oh sorry, I'm really sorry, just give me a sec. Yeah, once we cross the high of 18,207, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target can easily become 18,270 on the upside. In Bank Nifty, as I said, yeah, same thing with Bank Nifty. Wait for 43,200 to be crossed, which is the previous swing high. Once we cross that, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target can easily become 43,400 to 420 on the upside. So yeah, guys, that was it for today. I would, as I said, this week would be very crucial to decide where we can move in this month. And tomorrow, I would recommend you guys to not take aggressive trades for tomorrow, at least for tomorrow, and let the market decide where it's going to go. Once that is out of the way, then we guys can go ahead and take more aggressive trades, more aggressive positional trades. And yeah, guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys like my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.